Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to enable self-destruct messages in Telegram. Friends, if you want to auto-delete messages sent on Telegram, then you simply need to open Telegram app. In Telegram app, you need to press on the three lines. Now here press on settings. Now in settings press on privacy and security. Now here you will find the option of auto delete messages. Press on it. Now from here you can select auto delete time for your Telegram messages. I will select auto delete after 1 week. After reading the pop-up, press on enable. So like this you can select auto delete time after 1 day or after 1 month, or you can also set a custom time, like if you want to delete messages after 3 days or 5 days, so you can also set a custom time for deleting the messages. So friends, like this you can very easily enable self destruct messages in Telegram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.